Oh yeah, you know what time it is. No, we gotta make a stop like this. So, we're at Sedona Beer Co. right now. I'm drinking the Funshine IPA.
Come here, babe. Get out of it. Come here.
It's pretty good. So, on this episode of MooseHead Travels, it's gonna be a little different. This is gonna be YouTube focused. So get ready for it. Oh no. Oh no. Ugh. Yeah. Yeah, that's how it's gonna be. That's because this is gonna be a YouTube vlog. I'm done with the ad-free Instagram stuff. Also, if you listen closely, let's take a listen. There's gypsies out here, so you might be cursed and not make it out alive. Yeah, and we're camping out here, so never done that before. How do I set it up? When I started Moosehead Travels, I told you guys that I'd show you everything. And you know, I want to be honest, I want to be truthful. So I'm gonna do that. And I just want to share everything that I do here with you guys. So you're gonna stay in the loop of, you know, all my travels. You know, it's not just me. I'll also show you my partner, what she's doing. What are you doing? You know, the best things in life that you can do might just kill you. Like jumping off of this into that little pool of water. Now it's time for one of these. Only got one good beer in here. Shit beer first. I knew this $10 Harbor Freight knife would come in handy one day.
Shit. Even the dogs don't want to go down there with you. Ow!
All I know is this is the part in the horror movie where you hear, and they come out and kill you, chop your head off.
Okay.
I don't know if you guys ever had an amoeba in your brain, but they're awesome pets, and you can take them with you. So this is the kind of water where you make friends with them, and then they rent the space in your head. It's cool. Also, if you want to lose weight, this is a neat hack. If you just sit in this spot for half hour to an hour, you lose a liter of blood every minute from mosquitoes, and you lose a lot of weight. Sun's going down. Eaten alive by mosquitoes. We have this fire going, only to keep them away. It's either inhale carbon monoxide or get eaten by mosquitoes. I don't know what's worse. Anyway, I'll be switching to my other camera when it gets dark, because it's much better in low light, which means no more MooseHead, because I have to use frickin' Snapchat to use it. God damn it. Why are we out here, babe?
What?
Why are we here?
Because you dragged me here?
That's not true. What day is it today?
It's my birthday.
Babe,
Yes.
you look beautiful.
You lie like a rug.
I don't know if it's this candlelight. I don't know if it's this firelight, but it's lighting a fire in my crotchals. Alright, so we're inside for the night. Sadly, we had to cut it short because we started attracting bears. I had to fight them off. Yeah, it's not good to kill bears, so, you know, but you gotta do what you gotta do. But, you know, I just don't want to kill anymore, so we're calling it a night. Alright, time to go to bed. Alright guys, we survived. It's the morning after. You can see everything's packed up. Right over there. We got the shit box right there. If you listen closely, the gypsies are still back there. We made friends with them. I gave them some of the great beer that I have, and they decided they weren't going to curse us. So I suggest you do that if it ever happens to you. All right, so now we're gonna head to the actual city of Sedona and check that out. See you soon. Well, let's see what's on the docket first. So we're in uptown Sedona now today. Whoa, it's pretty hot. Isn't that right? It's pretty busy. Really cool. Babe, do you have $1? Well, coming to a close here. It's hot. We're broke. We have dogs. I think it's time to go home.